Tracking progress in real time with company overview in KanBo. Ensuring timely accomplishment of each task and project is crucial for efficient productivity. That being said, organizations often have to face difficulties as sources of information are dispersed, and it's not viable for team leaders as well as managers to stay on top of everything. This means that many issues, tasks, bottlenecks, and dependencies slip through the crack, which later on turn into a major roadblock that halts the overall progress. In order to overcome this issue, a central hub of information is required where team leaders along with members can see real-time updates without having to deal with any hassles. Having access to such a robust and reliable tool means organizations can keep track of the progress across different departments, ensuring all the projects are completed on time. One of the most feature-rich, user-friendly, and result-oriented tools you can currently find is KanBo. It provides all the stakeholders with the information they need when they need it. Instead of conducting follow-up meetings, you can simply use the board and lists to keep track of everything. How to use Company Overview in KanBo. When you first open the Company Overview board, you will see a wide range of lists. The purpose of these lists is to enable you to view every piece of information in a highly categorized and organized manner. This allows you to monitor progress from different perspectives so you can keep an eye on the overall situation. List. Teams. The first list is all about teams or departments. Each team has its own dedicated card which allows you to view the information related to that particular department. This can be very useful when you want to get updates from other departments or want to know a certain task's progress that is being done by another team's member. In a conventional work environment, you might have to reach out to the human resource department or the person themselves to acquire contact information. This isn't only time-consuming, but often the person isn't available. Moreover, human error can further cause delays. This list is a great alternative as it can also be used to out the contact information of team members of another department. List. Priorities. The second list contains information related to the tasks that have been assigned the highest priority by team leaders or project managers. There are labels on the cards which enable you to see which team is responsible for each high-priority project or task. For instance, increasing sales by 25% in the third quarter of 2021 could be a priority task assigned to the sales team. Not only can you see the task but the progress as well to find out whether the sales department is performing well enough to achieve the target. Having a high priority list allows managers and team leaders to observe the progress of the most important tasks and resolve issues quickly to ensure their timely completion. Moreover, it also gives employees a sense of purpose and focus as they know which tasks they are expected to complete first. When team members have no priorities to work with, that can often result in lack of focus as well as confusion. List. Current projects. As the name suggests, this list contains all cards about projects that are currently underway. The card also has information about the status of the project as well, which can be seen through labels including on time, on warning, failing, etc. The tasks are also marked by labels so you can see which person from what team is responsible for completing the task. This means that concerned team leaders and managers can intervene in a timely manner whenever they need to give directions and suggestions. You also have the option to see current projects any specific team is working on. For instance, if you want to see what tasks are being done by the marketing team, you can select the marketing label from the filter list. This will show you all the current tasks and projects that are labeled as marketing. List. Accomplished. Another self-explanatory list which contains all the tasks that have been completed and delivered. This list also shows the person responsible along with the team label. List. Bravos. This particular list is dedicated to those who have worked great and delivered their projects on time. Managers can use this to provide feedback while everyone can see who has performed well across different teams. This creates a sense of healthy competition between team members as everyone wants to be applauded for their effort on the company forum. Views. Company calendar. Sometimes you wonder whether you can view all the important dates in one location, so you know what needs to be accomplished by when. That's what the company calendar view provides, as you can see all the significant tasks or projects that are supposed to be completed. This allows project managers to focus on productivity and operational efficiency as they have all the data points in the form of a calendar. Project focus. Another perspective that team leaders and members can view is project focus, which allows you to see all the projects that the organization has undertaken. So let's conclude everything. If you are searching for a project management tool that gives you a bird's eye view of all the projects, KanBo software is the one to beat. It provides an easy-to-use tool for tracking company-wide progress across a multitude of departments. With KanBo, you can enhance your project management, forecasting, budgeting, and resource allocation to introduce operational and financial efficiencies.